Hello, I am Shona Hill and I am an advocate for DasCoin ecosystem, a cryptocurrency that is launching on April 27th and is the powerful innovation in cryptocurrency world and has the power behind it to take cryptocurrency mainstream, especially through DasPay and the speed of its transactions and other things that we're going to hear about on launch day, which is April 27th. One of the things that I'm really passionate about is the empowerment factor that cryptocurrency has for the worldwide population. And what I love most about DasCoin is that it is already empowering the disenfranchised in a big way. It has its own system that is running in Africa that is helping the people of Africa to empower themselves financially. It is helping those 2.2 billion people out of the 7.5 billion people, that is a third of the world's population, that don't have access to banking, okay? DasCoin is helping already realign the spine of the world, Africa in a big way through its currency. And I am very, very excited by this. I'm overjoyed by this and look forward to enhancing the effects of this going forward as I have connections with many African people and many people worldwide that need this cryptocurrency innovation and empowerment, the financial freedom that it gives humanity is amazing. So without further ado, here is a glimpse of what DasCoin is providing in Africa, and I look forward to enhancing the effects of this project and taking it to other countries in the world.
Welcome to Raqqa, Uganda, a district situated right under the hot equator sun. Despite its beautiful landscapes and fascinating cultures, life here is not without challenges and unfortunate ironies. People live close to the shores of Lake Victoria, the second largest freshwater lake in the world and the principal source of the River Nile. But many residents suffer from water poverty. Like these young boys, they have never enjoyed access to clean, potable water. In fact, in sub-Saharan Africa, there are more than 300 million people who lack access to clean water. Take Mr. Kalema. Every day he walks 5 kilometers to carry water to his family. And mind you, his animals use the same water.
Amazzi ge tujjayo gaba makyafu tusobola okulwala endwadde nga dayoleya oba ekiddukano bilihaziya ebyo byonna biba nga bitulumbye olw'okuba nti tukozesa amazzi agatali mayonjo.
Then there is the issue of electricity. Though Uganda and sub-Saharan Africa have one of the sunniest climates on earth, more than 600 million people are detached from the energy grid and have no regular access to power. Meet Madame Nakule and her family. Until today, they have never experienced power in their home.
Kubanga bangi bababba mu nzikiza. Najja n'atwala kasooliwo n'atwala ente ezo n'atwala oba mbuzi zo kuba tomulaba wona okubirayo tooki ng'agenze.
Most of us take electricity and clean water for granted. But here in Raqqa, they don't. Here these unfortunate ironies are lived day in, day out. Some enterprising Ugandans are changing this paradigm though, and they are using digital technologies like blockchain to positively transform people's lives. Like Michi Idiva, co-founder of fintech company Blockchain Africa and co-founder of Fast Africa Cooperative Society, a licensed savings and credit cooperative organization.
Rakai is one of the districts that has been really left out by the government. It is a district that has been affected so much by HIV/AIDS. So there are so many poor families around the area. It really touched my heart when I see the people I know and the people that have really helped me grow when they don't have access to water and power. And it has really get me my passion to really do this up to the end of it.
Michi has managed capital markets risk professionally for over 15 years, and now she's bringing her experience and knowledge back to her people. Together, they are fighting the risks that dominate their daily lives.
So by using blockchain and it's a service of crowdfunding, we are really making them get access to financing, microfinancing through our initiative savings and access to global communities so that they can change lives by themselves.
Thanks to Fast Africa Cooperative Society, more than 700 people living in Kachanga village will get a reliable source of clean, portable water for the first time in their lives. The villagers got a water loan, after which a hydro team started surveying for drilling locations right away.
Some of our members bought a license from Net Leaders earlier this year, and we are looking to use their cycles and encourage more members to buy the licenses from Net Leaders so they can be used to buy products like microfinancing of these solar loans. Even if it's $1, $2 can really make an impact to a family that really doesn't have access to it.
These small loans enable people to start their own businesses like charging mobile phones using their new solar power and sending money through mobile phones as Finita did. Or help families like Madame Nakules to have a solar-powered light in their homes for the first time in their lives. This light will provide a better lifestyle with improved security and more time for her grandchildren's homework. Muchala Nakule, wate tukugambye nti nno tusobola okukwasaganya abantu mu nsi yonna ne tekinologiya okufuna ssente ofune amasannyalaze.
Bayinza okukyagalira ddala okusinga nange kubanga abangi baba bamunzikiza era nsigadde ng'ama Mukama singa asobozesa bannange abatalina mataala okugafuna.
There are millions of unique credit unions and financial cooperatives around the world, and they haven't yet figured out how to leverage digital technologies like blockchain. Fast Africa Cooperative Society is the first cooperative in the world to provide solutions involving the DasNet blockchain and advanced mobile payment systems. Let this become a global blueprint to inspire millions of other cooperatives and credit unions around the world who need to generate liquidity using blockchain, web wallets, and digital assets. Digital technology and digital asset systems can bring light into these people's lives, literally and figuratively. Blockchain Africa, working in association with Net Leaders and DasCoin.
These empowering and powerful movements that cryptocurrency is creating for all humanity to have financial freedom and overwhelming possibilities that some thought they would only ever dream of. They are beginning to be through innovators like DasCoin and other cryptocurrency companies. This is powerful, and I am powerfully behind this movement. If you wish to join me to empower this movement even more, to bring change not only to yourself and your financial freedom, but to the worldwide population, then please sign up on the link below this video or contact me through the information below this video to get more information. Also, if you wish to subscribe to my channel, do that and press the notification bell and like the video if you do. And I look forward so much to sharing this powerful, innovative movement that DasCoin is bringing to the world.